We're going to be leaving Angeles City in a few months, my friends. It's been an interesting year coming back up here, but for the next year going forward, I think I've had enough of the suburban city life. Where are we going? It's yet to be determined. But I'll tell you this, everybody in the crew, we miss the beach. Especially Forrest G. I say that, we all miss it, but especially him. That's when he gets in the zone. He's in his zone all day long when he's at the beach. That's his happiness. And every time what we do, we put on videos, some of our old videos. We watch our own stuff a lot of times. And when I put on a beach video, he's just totally focused on the TV. And he has this look on his face like, what the hell happened to that lifestyle? I used to go to the beach every weekend. Next thing you know, I'm living here with no beach. So we do miss the beach. We'll be headed back somewhere, or headed somewhere where we're close by the beach. Where's that gonna be? I don't know. Go through the options. Subic, back down to Cebu, Palawan, someplace I haven't even thought about at this point. But we're in the planning phases of figuring out where we're going. I just thought I'd give y'all an update. Every time we move, I've talked about this many times, we gain subscribers, we lose subscribers because everything changes. But in my life, that's the way it is, things change. Why am I making this video? I just thought I'd let you know. There's about, 2-3 more months of suburban life living here in Angeles City in this beautiful neighborhood. And then we're going to get back to the basics with a focus on just being outdoors. Back to the beach, barbecue, camping, all that good stuff. Suburban lifestyle trend is almost over. So that's it. That's my update. Just thought I would let y'all know why, because folks, 2-3 months goes by like that. I would say actually at this point we're on the short clock. That's how me and my friends term, if you have a trip coming up, a flight, what have you, within about that 2-month window, fuck man, you're on the short clock. 2-month part, the 2-month period, I start packing. I got a suitcase ready. In my previous travels, when I used to travel, when I was 2 months out, I was packed. Every day I was going in there, taking stuff out, lightening the load. Trust me, by the time it's the day of the flight, I've been ready for weeks, ready to go. So that's what we're doing now. We're in the planning phases. I'll keep you fine folks out there updated as we go along. Everybody loves the drama.